What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Big Six Things. I'm on my way inside to Bluegrass World of Wheels. We'll see how many Mustangs we can find in here today. Hello, I'm here with Kevin Sanders, and this is his Foxbody Boogie Lights. How's it going, Kevin?
Pretty good, pretty good.
What can you tell me about your car?
Well, we got a 1987 Ford Mustang Foxbody. It's got a 347 stroker motor in it. Tremec 5-speed, which everybody gives me grief about because I run a 5-speed. It's got full UPR rear suspension, full rear UPR suspension in the front. It's straight nitrous, straight motor car, no adders.
Nice, they are.
Runs 11, 16, 11, 10, right weather, and I don't mess up.
Oh, I'd be nervous as hell.
I mean, too much when a 5-speed, there's just too much stuff can go wrong.
Yeah.
There's more pedals involved. We had one race where my foot was turned, and I got a clutch pedal foot got stuck on the brake pedal. It's just,
oh my goodness.
There's too much, and everybody in the pits are like, you gotta go to automatic, you gotta go to automatic.
So do you run quarter miles?
We run quarter mile.
What gears do you have in it?
It's got 373 rear end.
373. That's what I'm getting ready to put in my Fox motorcycle right now.
It's got the dual chamber drain shocks on the back, adjustables.
Nice.
Race star wheels all around it.
They're money pits, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Never go fast enough, huh?
Exactly. There's always somebody. It seems like there's always somebody faster.
Well, it's in the track, chasing that numbers, It sure is nice. I like that green.
We did finish top 10 2 times this 2020, 2021. So that's something.
Yeah, I seen you at NMRA, but I didn't get a chance to video your run, unfortunately. What was 1.4?
1.4. We did, however, back in the Norwalk race, the motor was down, and we ended up putting an old motor in the had with 2 forks. That motor had been sitting for 30 years.
Oh my goodness.
And here's a picture of right there in Norwalk coming off the ground. That's a 289 that had been sitting in the garage for 30 years.
Holy cow.